entry entitled Saris Merik Penampak Ngagai Rumah Linggi Maya Gawai from Suara Sarawak, Lina Anak Kunja, our winner, our bronze winner for the Iban category. Silver winner for this category, ladies and gentlemen, entry entitled Pemar Nadai Internet di Menua Ulu from Suara Sarawak, Barina Anak Nani. And the gold winner for Iban category, winning entry entitled Sarawak di Kemansang Ngenak Cuan Kediri from Suara Sarawak, Bigol Anak Sulang. Announcing the winners for our next category, which is Bahasa Melayu. Our bronze winner for this category, entry entitled Petronas